Anything can happen at school, but a math teacher can never get sick. Yes. What does this mean? This is a test of psychology for most of our learners, especially the young ones. They always wish their math teacher could fall sick, abscond school or some kind of it, but it never happens. So what do we learn? It is part of life. There are days we may wish that challenges never existed, yet challenges are meant to exist and are meant to be around. The only thing that those children at school should have wished for is for them to cope up with the test of mathematics, is for them to face mathematics and fight to learn it well. And that is how we should also do it in life. Let's face the challenges in life and cope up with those challenges so that we may live life to match those challenges.